everyone, James and Mark here with another mukbang. Today we are going to be doing a continuation of our birria that we did a few weeks ago, birria tacos. And in the comment section, you all said you wanted us to do birria ramen. Well,
that's exactly what we did. We made birria ramen today.
You're like a genie. That was everyone's wish and you decided to make it come true. How did you make this?
Basically, we did the same exact ingredients and recipe as our birria taco, but one small twist.
One small twist?
Yeah. We seared the meat. We had 3 pounds of short ribs, and then we sauteed the onions and garlic. We made our chili sauce with the 3 different types of dried chilies and all the seasoning. But the twist is, we added a little bit more water with the Shin Ramyeon soup seasoning packet inside, because after all, this is a ramen dish,
yes. Right? And I have to say, this is incredibly beautiful. Did you even get a chance to look at what you created?
No, I just plated it. We sat down and we're filming.
Yeah, no, this is like so many colors.
Now that I see it, yeah.
Textures. It smells like the birria came fresh out of the pressure cooker. So how about cheers to the chef
Oh my
first?
gosh, yes, this.
Oh,
oh! Cheers! Cheers! Oh my god. I think I need another one. Oh, this is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. There's all this meat and cheese, and with the ramen noodles underneath. Oh, you can kind of see the melted cheese within the noodles too, huh? Oh. Wow. Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at all that cheese that's like interwoven into all the ramen, and you got beef and
the egg looks divine. Okay, yes. I'm gonna try some of this soup broth thing.
All right, I'll follow suit first.
Mmm.
Yes.
It totally has the birria flavor. No need to worry about the shinramyeon, the Korean ramen seasoning pack. I think it goes really well with the birria flavor. Wow. It does not take away from birria.
No, not at all. So I feel like I never used the word umami right, but this has umami in it. No?
Oh, I love, it's nice and thick and juicy. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna grab a little bit of noodles at a time. I'm getting really hungry. Mmm. Mmm. So good. So I squeezed a little bit of lime in here, but do you want to add more lime?
Oh, I feel like the lime is perfect.
Yeah.
Plus, because we have the Corona in here. Oh my god, did you plan this too? Like
yes.
This goes.
I thought the Corona. I thought the Corona would be fantastic in this dish.
Oh my god, it's incredible.
It's so good, huh?
Yeah. Am I chewing? I don't.
Oh, I
don't feel like I'm chewing.
I don't think I chewed that time. The noodle is so tender. The noodle is so good in here. Okay, let's try some of this meat too. You know, we use short ribs again, like our tacos.
Yeah.
Because I think if we ever make birria, we're gonna use short ribs. Mm.
Mm. Oh no! Now I'm torn. I mean, it's so funny how the dish uses the same staple, but I feel like it's night and day between eating the taco and eating the ramen.
Different experience, huh?
Yeah, because
totally different experience.
Taco, you have that crispy like shell from the tortilla, but then this you have like the soup base and then the noodles and the slurping. It's like, how is it like 2 different dishes?
Oh my gosh. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oh my gosh, the noodle is really good because I sprinkled a layer of cheese on top of the noodle first. So the noodle and the cheese married with each other. They're totally blended within each other. So each bite of noodle You get that cheesy taste.
Yes. Oh my God, it's so good.
Mac and cheese?
Okay, so all of you in the comment section, you know what you were talking about because this is amazing. I think even someone said thank me later. I'm thanking you right now. What? That's so good. How do we go back to like regular ramen?
I'm actually really impressed and glad how it came out. Because I was like, I don't know, we never had birria ramen. In fact, last 2 weeks ago is when we had birria tacos for the first time in our lives.
I know, yeah.
I feel like I just got to know you and now you're gonna do this.
Look at this egg. So we have like this egg machine. I don't even know what it's called, but it makes the perfect poached egg for your ramen dishes.
Like we like it with the yolk a little runny.
Yeah.
Right?
So good.
Oh my gosh.
I need a little quiet time. I feel like I'm gonna just.
Yeah, even though we cooked with 2 packs of noodle, we only added 1 soup base.
Yeah.
I don't think it needs the second one. I'm glad I only added.
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah. It was really smart to add the water because the water really lends itself to make it more of a brothy like texture because we had the birria from 2 weeks ago and drinking the broth was great, but it was really rich.
Really rich, fatty because it's cooked with the short ribs. So I kind of wanted to not dilute it, but make it more brothy for the ramen noodles.
It's so pretty. It's like all of my favorite things in one bite. Cheese, beef, and ramen.
Yeah.
I just need you in here and we're set. Oh, Hedu just stuck his head like right on my foot. He's like, me too.
Oh.
You too, Hedu.
So last night, James's mom made us bomboy, which we just uploaded that video not too long ago. But I was inspired by her with this dish. Which component do you think I was inspired by?
The beef?
I just loaded this thing up with a lot of meat because your mom adds so much meat to the bomboy dish. I was like, that's such a great idea. So I didn't even know. I just kept piling it on in the middle.
So bom means noodles. The way she makes it, it should be called ba bun hue.
Oh, because the
Switch it.
meat?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Yeah. Do they even sell birria ramen like maybe in LA?
Maybe.
I don't see it around here.
Maybe.
The birria craze has been cray because I don't remember hearing about birria until recently, but now when we drive down our street, there's all those like banners that just say birria on it, and that's it.
Now that this is the second time I made it, I feel like it gets easier and easier. It just takes a while because we're pressure cooking it. But in terms of making it, I'm like, I could just make this with my eyes closed now.
I saw Mark from the corner of my eye. He did not even have usually he has a little piece of paper with all the steps. He just did it. He just knew what happened, what needs to happen. So
I'm almost already done. That was a really quick bowl.
well, let me ask you this: like, if you wanted to make more, do we have enough for more?
We just need to make the noodles, but we have an extra of the birria stew, the consomme. And we have more short ribs. We have the toppings. Yeah.
My favorite part of the short rib is just a little piece of that tender fat. It's not too much where you feel guilty for eating it, but just enough to be like, ooh, I'm a little naughty, you know? Just like this piece right here. Yeah, I'm a little naughty.
Oh, I like the noodles.
It's so good.
I really like the noodles.
Are these serranos, these red things in here? Am I gonna die if I eat one?
No, you could just eat it.
Am I gonna die?
No, you're not. It's not that spicy. Yeah.
Okay, just double checking.
I mean, it's still, what, spicy?
No. No, sorry. It has that crispness still that like made me feel like I can eat another bowl.
The pepper?
The pepper. It had that like crunch and like revitalization of my mouth. Sorry, what were you gonna say?
No, I like how like it's still very thick and juicy, the broth.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, just like eating a bowl of chili.
I don't think I mentioned this, but last time we had birria leftovers, it was the same week where our friends gave us a bunch of avocados.
Oh, yeah.
So I just microwaved the bowl with some of the birria and the consomme, added sour cream,
And avocado.
and cheese. Oh, I had that for 2 days for lunch, and I was like, I am spoiled rotten right now being able to eat this for lunch. Is this real life right now?
I know, right? Look at this. This is gonna be a good bite. Oh, you still have your egg.
I saved half.
I ate both of my eggs already.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie. Even though I really like the tacos, I think I actually prefer the ramen version of this more.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I have a soft spot for this. I cannot believe I'm eating this. And my hands aren't even dirty. I think that's the plus.
Oh yeah.
I do love a taco though. Don't get me wrong. I love something about a fried, crispy. Like I loved how you used the actual broth to like soak the tortillas before you fried it. Like
that was fun. That was good.
Don't make me choose. That's hard. Though actually right now I wish I had a taco to dip in this. Next video,
Ramen and tacos.
ramen and tacos.
And
Yeah.
we layer it with tacos on top. Oh, that's a lot of work. But it could be done. I think I like this version better because it actually makes me eat more of the consomme. Like with the taco, I like dipping it, but you know me generally, I don't like to dip things in like French dip.
Yeah. We talked about this in the other video too.
Did we? Yeah, I don't really dip the French dip sandwich. I like to eat that plain, you know, without the au jus sauce. So although like I still tasted the consomme in the taco format,
Yeah.
this I really tasted, right?
Well, I feel like it gives you that same like reason why you like risotto. It has that creamy, velvety texture that you wouldn't get dipping your taco in it. You're getting this because probably all of the starch from the ramen seeped back into the consomme and thickened it up. She thick now, girl.
She thick.
We thick now too. We gotta go to a pool party this weekend, and now I'm considering not going after having this bowl.
Cancel, RSVP,
Sorry
retract.
about it. We can go in the pool and pretend we're the buoys. No one's gotten to try your birria but me. So, birria is not a euphemism, by the way. I'm
DM
talking
me
about
if
this.
you want to try my
Girl, do not DM it. No, don't DM him.
Tommy 714.
Yeah! I'm sweating now. I'm a sweaty mess. I thought I was gonna be okay, but the heat just crept up on me.
Girl, you
and-
can't tell on camera.
Really? What do you think of my haircut? I got my haircut today.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I think the woman was kind of confused with like the look I was going for. So when she was cutting my hair, she was very hesitant. And I think it's very stringy because of the dye job. So I think she wasn't used to it.
Spaghetti noodles for hair.
Oh, should we do my hair birria next?
Dye your hair red with birria.
Oh my gosh, no!
Birria hair color.
And then do we eat the consomme after? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, check out one of our other videos, and we will see you for our next mukbang.
Yeah. Bye.